Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your fractional shares plan on Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Fidelity account on their website. Once you are on the home page, locate the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page. Hover over the tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Positions to view your current investments. Scroll through your list of holdings to find the fractional shares you want to update. Click on the name of the stock for which you wish to update your fractional shares plan. You will be directed to a detailed view of that stock. Look for the Manage Fractional Shares option on the page. Click on this option to access your fractional shares settings. Here, you will see your current fractional shares plan. Review the options presented for managing your fractional shares. Choose the update that best suits your investment strategy. For changes to contributions, adjust the dollar amount you want to invest regularly. If you want to sell fractional shares, select the appropriate option to proceed. Make sure to read through any confirmations or warnings that may appear. After making your selections, look for the Submit button to apply your changes. Once you click Submit, a confirmation message will appear to verify that your plan has been updated. If needed, check your email for a confirmation of the changes. You have now successfully updated your fractional shares plan on Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.